You got the power. Charge your Mini Electric extra fast at a DC charging station. There you'll always find a DC charging cable with the big plug to charge the Mini's high voltage battery with direct current. Super easy, super fast. At public stations, you might need a charging provider account card, like this Mini charging card. The charging process needs to be started on the DC charging station itself. Plug the charging cable in firmly. The initialization takes a bit longer compared to AC charging. If you are unable to start the charging process, it might take some time for the cable to unlock. Your high voltage battery charges fast up to 80%. After that, the charging current is being reduced to save the battery. You can check the current state of charge with the Mini Connected app. To stop the process or disconnect the cable, simply unlock the cable at the DC charging station. That's it. After this, it can be unplugged. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.